Back to my channel. My name is Jayla Mitchell, also known as NaturalReign, and if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe down below and then click that notification bell so you don't miss my new uploads. So today I'm finally gonna be trying these bad boys, the waveformers. I got them long because listen, I don't want no surprises. The last thing I want is my hair to not be able to fit in these, but I know I'm gonna be straight with these. So I bought 4 packs. The gang's all here. So it comes in here, it came with like the stick to apply the waveformers, but each one, since I got 4 of them, each one came with the stick, but I'll just probably use one, I don't know. But yeah, I'm finally gonna be trying these. They took forever to ship, but they're here now. That's what matters. And I feel like this is gonna be a process just cause all this hair, it's gotta be a learning curve on this, just got to. All right, so yeah, I'm really gonna be giving this a go. So I guess I'm gonna just get into the video. Okay, so this comes in 3 separate parts, so I'm just gonna put it together. Have I ever put this together? No, but I think it's pretty simple, maybe, right? Maybe. Hey, it is pretty simple. Huh. I heard this bad boy is flimsy. Like real flimsy, and I might get a little irritated. For those of you who don't know, my patience is thin, so I'm kind of scared. All right, and for those of you who are wondering what the difference is between the yellow and the blue, there is none. It's the same thing. They just, for some reason, they come in 2 different colors. I don't know why. So styling wise, I'm going to be using Pillow Soft Curls, and then I'm gonna follow it up with this styling custard. By the way, everything I'm using, it will be in the description box, but in case y'all are wondering, this is the dynamic duo. I feel like it will work well, we'll see. The look I'm going for, I don't want it to be like straight or like straight hair at all. I like big hair, so I still want to have that if that's possible, but I do want it to last a decent amount of time, if that makes sense. So I'm just gonna take about this much. Then I'm just gonna take my Felicia brush and comb it out. All right, here goes nothing. Y'all, I have never even used curl formers, so this is why this is like extremely interesting. So I'm gonna twist a little at the root so that I can give this hook something to hook onto. Oh, did that happen? It really did. It really did. Hey, where does my hair even stop? Okay, so my hair is down here in the waveformer, so I'm like here. All right, 1 down. I don't know how many more to go, but hopefully not that many. What I really like about these is that I didn't expect them to be so secure. Like I thought they would be a little loose, but they really do get tight to your scalp, but not like uncomfortably tight. Like it's comfortable. I mean, let's see if it's comfortable when I got all of these in my head, and it might be a little heavy, but we're gonna find out. Okay, so what I'm gonna continue to do is the same process, and you guys can watch me. You know, I'm probably just gonna fast forward through this part, and you guys can watch the process. Okay, so update time. As you can see, I've done a lot more than the last time y'all saw me, basically. See all of that? Oh, can I just say inches? Inches! My hair was this long, you really couldn't tell me nothing. But where I'm at is I just have the 2 front sections to do. Yeah, everything else is done. Just the front 2 sections, and I've learned a lot along the way, okay? Because at first I'm like, ain't no way I can do this. This is just gonna be too time consuming. There's a learning curve. I don't want you guys to get as frustrated as I did. Please take it from me. There's a learning curve. You gotta find what works best for you, what you feel like is most efficient, or else you're going to get real agitated. And you know, if you do these waveformers the wrong way, they will pull out your hair. So I don't want that for you guys. I'm not saying it happened to me, but I did get a little impatient. I'm not I wasn't feeling too good about these. I'm like, I might just give it up. But I actually talked to Kim. We was on FaceTime and she was like, girl, you gotta do it like this. And now I got a little method, so I'm gonna share that with you guys. One thing is, since I got 4 packs with 4 of these hooks, I started going ahead and loading them all on so I can be more efficient. Just go bam, 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 1, 2, 3, and 4, and then reload, okay? So that's keeping me more efficient. And then I'm gonna show you guys on this section how it's gotten a little better. It still can be a little agitating, no matter which way you cut it, but it has gotten better. So I applied all of the product that's going to be in my hair before I put them in these wave formers. They are already applied, okay? And my hair is pretty much detangled as well with all the product already in it. So now all I have to do is take this. I started scrunching it all the way up like this, and then I twist my roots, take the hook it on, okay, and then pull through. So then you see it scrunches up like this. It's super scrunched. You just pull it down. And then you see my hair formed a little wave. See, I'm doing way better than I was in the beginning, because listen, I was not feeling this at all. But yeah, if you use that technique, I don't know, you know, use what works for you, but it's faster. And I started taking bigger sections, one, because I only got 4 packs. And I just realized more hair could fit in these sections. Like I said, there is a learning curve. Okay, so now I'm down to the last one. Honestly, y'all, it was pretty touch and go there for a second. I thought this day would never come. But here we are. Oh, Lord. Whew. Okay, y'all. First off, I can't imagine trying to go to sleep in this. Like, I can't even imagine. So of course I'm gonna sit under the dryer. If you're curious about how many perm rods, I said perm rods, oh my god, am I tired or am I tired? If you're curious about how many wave formers are in my head, I bought 4 packs and then there were 4. I only have 4 that I did not use. Honestly, I got scared, so I started taking bigger sections. Hopefully that doesn't come back to get me. But yeah, I have 4 left out of, you know, the packs. I don't remember how much was in each pack, to be honest with you. Maybe it was like 8, 10. Maybe it was like 8 or 10, something like that. So the only thing I didn't use was these 4. You can't even see my face. And then if you want to know where my hair stops, in the front, my hair stops here. Okay, so I still got all of this left. And then in the back, find a section in the back. In the back, my hair stops here. So this much is left. And I think in different sections, I have layers, y'all, so. But if your hair is like a similar length to me, that's why I'm showing you. Or if you know your hair is a lot shorter or a lot longer, you can kind of get an idea of how much you're gonna have left. So now I'm gonna go sit under the dryer probably for an hour, hour and a half, and see if these bad boys are dry or even close to dry or anything like that. But yeah, if you're wondering where I'm gonna be under the dryer. So I'll see you guys soon. Hey y'all, I'm back and I did the unthinkable. I slept with these in my head. I just got really sleepy. And when the sleep calls, you answer. And I'm not gonna say it was the most comfortable sleep of my life, but I made it out alive. I will say that. So yeah, so I can't really tell you the drying time because one thing I can't stand is when I'm ready to take out these freaking wave formers or just a style in general and it's not dry. This way I know it is completely dry. Do I recommend sleeping with these in your head? No. Not in the slightest, but you know, that's what I did, if you're curious. So I guess I'm gonna go ahead and take them down. All right, I already feel like I'm not gonna like this. That's crazy, but I'm so serious. This is so different. At least it don't take as long to take them down as it did to put them in. Okay, maybe it's not as bad as I was thinking. I mean, I'm gonna continue, but maybe, just maybe it's not as bad as I was thinking. Oh, I look crazy. The half and half, y'all know I love a comparison. Y'all already know. Ain't that crazy? Okay, kudos to them, because this is a different look. When I saw the first one, I was like, I'm gonna hate it, but oh, I think when I fluff this could maybe be cute. I might have, ooh. Waveformers might have just did something. That's how I'm feeling, but let me not speak too soon. This is kind of cool. I ain't never seen my hair like this before. Okay. But you know what I gotta do, right? You know I got to take them apart, fluff it out, and then I'm gonna see what it's looking like. Okay, so I am going to use an oil. I'm just gonna be using the melanin one. The reason why is because this is a very light oil and I don't want my hair to get weighed down. And then I'm gonna be using my old trusty pick. Y'all know what this is. Y'all know. So I'm not gonna go crazy with the oil either. Like I said, not a greasy mess. I'm just kind of separating where my hair is telling me it would like to be separated. Because that is how you reduce frizz. Even though I do want a little bit of frizz, I don't want anything too crazy. Okay, y'all, so scratch out what I said earlier about not liking it. I think it's cute, it's just different, so it took some time for me to adjust to, and then I also needed to get that volume that you guys know I love so much. This is the main reason why I didn't use a gel, because I didn't want like a straight wavy look. I really wanted volume because I like volume in all of my styles, and I really knew that this was going to be no exception. But y'all, comment down below and let me know what you guys think of the results. But I think this is the look. It's different. It took some, you know, adjusting, okay? Just like I'm about to adjust this shirt, okay? But I really like it. It's different, but not in a bad way. Woo, okay, y'all. All right, yes. It's giving me like, you know, slightly more length, just slightly, nothing too crazy. Yes, it's frizzy, but it's like the controlled frizz and you can still see the waves coming out, so that's cute or whatever. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.